Hey, we're out here at a La Madeline restaurant in Allen, Texas, and was called out here to look at a potential roof repair, look at some leaks. And first getting to the building, it doesn't look like from the ground there's any significant damage. I would call that hidden damage. So once we get up here, we take a look at things. This slate roof, which slate roofs are very durable, can handle a lot, but there was a pretty significant hailstorm here just recently, and there's actually cracked tiles here. And damage to the slate roof. There's also damage right here to this fake stucco. There's literally holes in it that are 2 inches around. And then here on the roof substrate actually as well, you can also see impacts all over the roof. There's one here, pretty significant. This one looks like it was about tennis ball size right here. And so this actually has more damage than the roof. There's damage to the AC units, damage to paint work, stain work on the building, along with this whole roof system really should be fully replaced. And so I'm going to send a full report to the property managers and owners of this building so that they can assess what the next steps are, whether it will involve insurance or just paying for the repairs. But that report will include 3D diagram of the building with all the measurements along with all the scope of work. We'll come out, do a free evaluation, and do a full inspection, full report on your commercial property.